Today we talk about how can you enable live location on your Uber app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, so then it's going to take you to this list here. You just go above here your photo profile, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open with you here. So then it's going to show for you, sorry, it's going to show for you, or we will go back here. It's going to show for you like this. When you click on your photo profile, you're scrolling down here until you will find your settings. Just click on it. So then here it's going to take you to this list. Click here on privacy here. When you just click here on privacy, so then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You're scrolling down here, so until you will find here, sorry, it's going to find with you here live location. Just click on it. So then here can you disable live location sharing with device drives here. Just click in this sign. So like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.